Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say greetings to each and everyone. Now, there is news that is out there about an incident that had happened where it is said to be robbery and attempt rape. Now, this incident said to have happened on Friday the 18th of October 2019 at a place that is called One Man Beach, that is along Jamaica Boulevard, that is in the parish of St. James, that is of the country Jamaica. Now, it has been said that a few persons were on the beach when they were approached by 3 men, and 2 of these men had guns. Now, it has been said that these men robbed these persons of phone and money, and then one of the men told one of the male victim of the robbery to take off his clothes. Now, it has been said that one of the men, which is considered to be thieves, attempted to rape one of the male victim of the robbery, but however, he was unsuccessful on doing so. Now, it has also been said that upon quick actions of the police officers, one of the suspects had been captured and the other 2 is on the run. It has been said that things like this had happened before within the area, but persons are ashamed of reporting something like this, that they have been raped. Now, there is also a story that had been told of a male and a female, and they were considered to be boyfriend and girlfriend that were on the beach, and they had been robbed, and the male had been raped, but the female had not been armed or touched at all, according to what has been said. Alright, but anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. They have to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on. You can also tell me what you think about something like this that had happened. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.